back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my natural everyday look, which is this, and it won't be too much products. It's just a little bit, and it'll make your face not really look like you have makeup on, but at the same time you look like you have makeup on. So it's like a no makeup tutorial. Well, how I do it. But I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get straight to it. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, but I'll be using sunscreen, which is the Murad sunscreen, oil and pore control. After applying my sunscreen, I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional Makeup color corrector, and I'm gonna put that all over my dark spots, all the red spots that I have. Not all of it, but just enough to have some green in there. After I put all of that in my face, I'm gonna be using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I'm probably doing this wrong, but this is just how I do it. After I'm done with that, I'm going to take my sponge and I'm gonna dampen it with water. After that, I will be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm not gonna use a lot, I'm just gonna use only a little bit, just to cover my dark spots again and make it seem like there's nothing or almost to nothing. The next thing that I will do are my eyebrows, and I'll be using the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade of medium brown. After that, I will be using what is it called, face powder. I'm using the Neutrogena one. Next, I will do my lashes, and I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. For lashes, I will be using the Eyelure London Definition, and as you can see, these are cut in half. I made them like that so my eyes look like they're natural, but at the same time they look long and pretty. And for the lash glue, I'm using the Sonia Kashuk Clear Eyelash Glue, and I'm going to put this at the corner of my eyes. Okay, now that we're done with that, my lashes they don't look natural, but at the same time they do. They just look pretty. Okay, the last one that I'm gonna do for my face, I mean not my face, but the next thing that I will do is use the Colourpop Luxe Lip Gloss. I don't know what shade this is, but I just know it's sparkly. And then last but not least, the setting spray. I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm almost done with it. And now I am finished with my face. Now I'm just gonna let this hair go and let's see the final results of everything without my hair looking like a mess. And this is the final look. My hair turned out to be like this because I had my hair in a French braid, and so it's all curly even in the back. It's not all curly, but this is okay. If you guys want to know how I made my hair look like this, is just a basic braid. You can look it up on YouTube if you'd like. There's a lot of tutorials on how to do a French braid. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. There will be more to come. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, I hit my hair.